Hello everyone and welcome to That Suite. My name is Sarah Emery and today I'm going to show you how to use the when ordered by fields selection on the summarized saved searches. So when you create a saved search that summarizes the results, all columns that you want to display must have a summary type selected. Let's say you have a saved search that you want to show the most recent order date and order number for each item that's shown as a result. If you select maximum on the order date, you will get the last order date, which is exactly what you're looking for. However, if you select maximum on the document number, you're going to get the highest document number, which may not necessarily be the highest or most recent order date. So in this case, you'll want to use your when ordered by field selection. So in this area, I'm going to drop down to date. I'm going to select date, which will give me my last order because it's ordering the results by date, and based on the maximum date, it's going to return the document number. So I will save and run this. And there you go. This trick is indispensable when it comes to building out complex saved searches that have summarized results. I cannot tell you how many times I have used this, especially the date selection. So I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, or if you have ideas about other topics that you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. Also, make sure to subscribe for even more NetSuite tips, tricks, and helpful hints. I will be back next week with another video to help you live that sweet life.